Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss worksheet 3 of polynomials. So we have discussed long division method and a division of a polynomial by a monomial. In this worksheet we are going to discuss division of a polynomial by a binomial. Monomial means one term expression and binomial means two terms expression. So there are two methods of division of a polynomial by a binomial. First method is factor method. If possible, factorize the given polynomial which is to be divided in such a way that one of the factors is equal to the binomial by which we are dividing. We cancel the common factor and get the answer. Let us take an example to explain the above method. Factorization you have learned in previous chapter, that is algebraic identities. So example 5, divide x square plus 5x plus 6 by x plus 2. So we first of all we need to factorize x square plus 5x plus 6. So we factorize this by x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b by this identity. So x square plus 5x plus 6 we can write the addition or the sum of the factors should be 5x and the multiplication should be 6x square. So we write x square as it is and break 5x into 3x plus 2x, or we can say 3 plus 2x, and the multiplication of 3 and 2 is 6. So x square plus 3 plus 2 into x plus 3 into 2. Now we can write this expression like this: x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 3 into 2. Then we take common x and we get x plus 3. Then we take common 2 and then we get again we get x plus 3. So we have two factors, x plus 3 and x plus 2. Now x square plus 5x plus 6 by x plus 2 equals to, this is equal to this. So we write at the place of x square plus 5x plus 6 x plus 3 into x plus 2, and we are going to divide by x plus 2. So we have two same factors, x plus 2, x plus 2. So we cancel out these factors and we get x plus 3. Cancelling the common factor x plus 2 from the numerator and denominator, we get x plus 3. So our answer is x plus 3. Okay, one second. Now second method is long division method. So long division method, example 6, divide 6 minus 13x plus 6x square by minus 3 plus 2x. First of all, we need to write this expression in standard form. This is our step 1. So write the divisor minus 3 plus 2x and dividend 6 minus 13x plus 6x square in standard form. So dividend is 6x square minus 13x plus 6 and divisor 2x minus 3. Now step 2, divide the first term of the dividend 6x square by the first term of the divisor 2x to get the first term of the quotient 3x. So we get third step, multiply the divisor 2x minus 3 by the first term of the quotient 3x, subtract the product of 2x minus 3 and 3x, 3x into 2x minus 3, 6x square minus 9x from the dividend 6x square minus 13x plus 6 to get the remainder 6x square minus 13x plus 6 minus 6x square minus 9x, and we get minus 4x plus 6. We can see here first step, in second step we divide 6x square by 2x. okay, by 2x, and we get 3x. It means we need to multiply 2x minus 3 by 3x, and when we multiply 2x minus 3 by 3x, we get 6x square minus 9x. And now subtract 6x square from 6x square, that we get 0, and here the minus 13x, and when we subtract, we change the signs. So because 6x square is here plus, has plus sign, we convert it into minus, and this minus sign will be converted into plus sign. Now minus 13x and plus 9x, we get minus 4x, and we and plus 6. Now divide minus 4x by 2x, and we get minus 2. It means we need to multiply 2x minus 3 by 2, so we get minus 4x plus 6. Now we changes the sign, we change the sign, so here is minus sign, so we convert it into plus, and here is plus sign, we convert into minus, and we can see that this is and this is, or both terms will be cancelled out, and we get 0. So quotient is 3x minus 2, and remainder is 0. So this is the long division method, and most of the sums you need to solve by this method. Now division algorithm. Division algorithm in numbers, we know that if a number is divided by another number, then dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. The same result holds for polynomials. If a polynomial p to the power x is divided by another polynomial q to the power x, then dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by the quotient plus remainder, where either remainder 0 or degree of remainder is less than the degree of divisor. So example 7, same as we have done in example 6. Divide 3y to the power 5 plus 6y to the power 4 plus 6y to the power 3 plus 7y to the power 2 plus 8y plus 9 by 3y to the power 3 plus 1. We can see this expression is in standard form already, so we need not to convert it into standard form. So we directly divide this. So we have 3y to the power 5 plus 6y to the power 4 plus 6y to the power 3 plus 7y to the power 2 plus 8y plus 9. Dear students, we need to divide it by 3y to the power 3 plus 1. So first of all, we need to divide 3y to the power 5 by 3y to the power 3, and we get y square. It means we need to multiply 3y to the power 3 plus 1 by y square. Okay, and we get 3y to the power 5 plus y square, because here is 1, and we write y square under 7y square, because we can subtract or add the same variable terms. So we convert the signs, and it is cancelled out, and also we get 7y square minus y square, 6y square, and we have 6y to the power 4 plus 6y to the power 3, then we have 6y to the power square, y square plus 8y plus 9. Again we divide 6y to the power 4 by 3y to the power 3, and we get 2y. It means we need to multiply 3y to the power 3 plus 1 by 2y, and we multiply and get 6y to the power 4 plus 2y. Convert this, change the signs, and we these terms will be cancelled out, and we get 8y minus 2y, 6y. 6y to the power 3 plus 6y square plus 6y plus 9. Again we divide 6y to the power 3 by 3y to the power 3, and we get 2, and then we multiply this term these terms by 2, and we get this. So these terms change the sign, and these some terms cancelled out, and here 9 minus 2 is 7. Here 6y square plus 6y plus 7. This is the remainder, because we have because the degree of the remainder is less than the divisor. So our sums will end here, and quotient is y square plus 2y plus 2, and remainder is this. Now verification. We verify the quotient by this formula. First of all, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So we know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So left hand side 3 to the power 5 plus this, and right hand side is this. So we solve this. So divisor is 3 to the power 3 plus 1 and quotient is this, and we multiply this and add remainder, and we multiply, first of all we multiply these and add this and this remainder, and then the terms which have same variables we add them and find the left hand side, and we can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. So dear students, in worksheet 3 you all will solve sums like this. First sum will be of factor method, then long division method and verification. So practice these sums again and again, and if you find any problem you can discuss with me, and your homework is solve worksheet 3 of polynomials. Thank you.